Hello, beautiful and lightful soul, to a new update on cosmic strategy. And it's today all around money. Because by the end of the summer, there will be also the end of the illusion about the current financial system, about money, and also about your personal money stories. It's the time to change. So let's go inside. We are, from cosmic strategy point of view, in Venus season, and Venus is not only about love, beautiness, the truth, is also connected with finance and money, because it's the leading planet of Taurus. And Taurus is stability, value, self-value, and finance, quality, earth, and food. And because Venus is now retrograde in Leo and is in Leo for 4 months. Now we are in half time, and it will be until the beginning of October in Leo. And this is the sign of sovereignty, of royalty, visibility, the media, heartful being, powerful being, is retrograde in this sign. And what does it mean? You can see this in the outside world. And I would like to give you some examples about this to let you understand where we are going, especially with the financial system, with money. And later on, I would like to go also a little bit inside and to explain to you what does Venus mean for you personally, because there's also the end of illusion for us around money, money stories, money systems. So how can you evolve and go on, and also to go into these new times that will come? It started already, left the port already. Venus retrograde mean reflection, to reflect and to understand about your own values, about money, about how you deal with money, what you think about money, about your belief system, about your money stories, and your own money system that you have in place in your private and in your business life. And by the way, I will do a workshop, and the workshop begins August 21st. And we will do lots of work around our money belief system, money stories, while Venus is retrograde. And it will be in German and in English, and you will find the link down below. So there is the big chance coming up now, and it's not only a big chance, there is also some kind of, I would like to say, and yesterday I made an interview for a Congress, and the interview will be shown in October. There is also a fight going on, because the lunar nodes, the collective destiny at the moment, is in Aries, and Aries is not only pioneer thinking, soulful actions, but it means also courage, and also could mean also fight. And there are lots of fights going on in the world now. So it's not only behind the scenes, it's also visible. The old centralized money system is in fight against the new decentralized money system, which is underway, because we will go into the age of Pluto in Aquarius. By the end of 24, we are fully arrived, and this period will last for 20 years. And it's really completely 100% clear that the old money system, the old illusion around money will go away. You will see this now in the next weeks, and especially while Venus is retrograde, this fight of the old central system about the centralized currencies like the European Central Bank, the Federal Reserve Bank, and its systems and organizations, they would like to keep their power. And this is also Leo, it's also power, yeah? It's also egoism, but it could be also heartful power for yourself and also for the world. But the current system would like to keep their power, and they fight against the new. You see this in the court in America. So the SEC, it's an organization, they fight against blockchain systems at the moment, against Ripple. And there are other examples, but this is one very important example that you can see outside. And so these things and these changes and these fights, they have already left the port. There are new laws on the way in Great Britain around blockchain. So they enabled already blockchain technologies to come. and they have already bills in place. They created that new law to support blockchain technologies. Then another example, PayPal is introducing its own stablecoin, and the stablecoin is normally based on blockchain technology, also mean crypto technology, if you would like to see it like this. So lots of things going on. And then there's another very important planet in Taurus, and Venus is linked with Taurus. It's Uranus. Uranus is the higher intelligence, and it means thinking in big visions about future and expansion. And now I have to stretch this even more. It's not only Uranus until end of 25 in Taurus, also Jupiter. And it started a new Jupiter cycle. And we will speak about this also in the workshop series. And you will learn what this new Jupiter cycle that started, this expansion, learning, abundance, and this will last for 12 years now. You will learn also what does it mean personally for me. And you will combine this with Venus, with the change of your money stories around this. So you see, cosmic point of view, lots of things going on. Also in the outside world, lots of things going on. So what could be our new money system? What is it? What will it look like? And we will also speak about this in one of the workshops, because there will be 3 workshops. And after you reflect around your own money stories, your own money beliefs, your finance, and how you would like to see also what is your future vision about money, because money is still important and will be also important in the future, because it rules at the moment the world. But we should go into changes. And even if we change, even if we create a new money system, a new monetary system, we will take it still as an exchange. And it's very important also to question now in this time certain things like interests, for example. So what could be a much more female approach around money systems? And these things, and also what does it mean personally for you, this Venus in your own birth chart, this transit of Venus together with Jupiter in Taurus, because it's all around money, especially when you're a business owner. You can't miss this workshop, because now is the time to change. It is the summer of change. And as business owner, you deal a lot with money, with earning, with exchange of energies, giving services into the world, getting as exchange money. And you have to prepare and be very aware of your own money beliefs and your own money story, because the most of the time when we are stuck and it's not going on, we are stuck with our belief systems, and especially around money. So let's create also new fun stories, new really creative, joyful, female, flowing, easy stories around money. So when you have the feeling you would like to expand into the new, to have more flow, much more ease in this, and a much more female approach for the money system, and its flow, and it's much more about horizontal hierarchy, not vertical hierarchy anymore. And if you want also grassroots movements, and it's much more relationship orientated, the new female approach around money. This workshop is very important for you if you really, really would like to change, to challenge your old money stories, to understand where you can change now. And this you will see, and I will guide you through, so we understand exactly where the change is coming for you now, because Jupiter in Taurus started already a new 12-year cycle, and Venus in Leo is also an 8-year cycle, and it's starting now, and it's really important to set now new intention. This is what we will do Monday 21st. Yeah, we will create something of new, something of exciting, something of big. So I'm looking forward to see you inside, and I would like to invite you even more to reflect about money, money story, money beliefs, and to create a new approach on this. Thinking really big, visionary about future, because this will unfold. This will unfold even more April 2024, when Jupiter is exactly conjunct with Uranus in Taurus. And just as a reminder, Taurus is finance. So it's really the time and really important to start to reflect, to understand where the new 12-year cycle with Jupiter in Taurus started already, and where you would like to expand, where you would like to have more abundance and to learn. And because it builds a square now with Venus retrograde in Leo, to reflect on your money beliefs, your money story, to set completely new intentions for the future. So what we will do now, and what you have now the chance in this summer of change money, you do future work, and we set the intentions. And when you set your intentions, we set this new intention, and we leave this new frequency also into the field, and it will start now, and it will unfold now slowly. Now we are still in a very, very big reflection phase until November, because there are 7 planets, not only Venus, retrograde. And remember, retrograde means reflection, to rethink, and but it will unfold. And it's very important to prepare already, because the future is prepared now, and we will see a revolution around money. It started already. You see it already. Also in 23, also with the BRICS state that will that want to create a new monetary, let's say, system, a new way how to exchange, how to trade with the local currencies. They are thinking to create new trading currency in the future, and they have already a very, very big economical power in the world. They create more than 40% of the yearly wealth in the world. So this decision, or this starting of the creation of the new money system that they will create will start August 22, while Venus is retrograde. So you see a revolution around money already now, 23. You will see it even more 24, April 24. Remember, Uranus conjunct with Jupiter in Taurus, big revolution on the way, and it will be completed 25. It's 100% clear already. I teach this in my financial freedom community, and the members of the community, they know what will come. And I could speak now for a long time around this, but I will stop now, and I would like to invite you to join now, to reflect, to meditate, to set new intentions. We will do also breath work when we set new intentions for thinking big, for new visions around future, to end up with your illusions around money, the money system, set up new belief system, and to become neutral with money, to become joyful with money, to become abundant with money even more. And especially if you have fear, doubt, shame around money or lack around money, it's an illusion. And now we will stop and end this illusion of fear, doubt, lack, shame around money and the money system, because it has to be understood why it is like this, and it's not a natural law. It's not God given. So if you have these feelings around money, you have to come to the workshop. We will start to work on this, and I will give you guiding materials 21st of August, but you can start already now after you joined with Jupiter in Taurus, and then you can work until end of April next year, and to build up even more an entire new money story, money belief system, and also to do new money investing decision. So we will tap into the new money system. You will do this by yourself. You will create big, life-lasting abundance, and you start now because it has left already the port. So see you there. See you soon, beautiful soul. Bye for now for the next audio.